All right, this is kind of cool. I'm kind of excited to show this to you. So this is an Ottoman. Believe it or not, this is an Ottoman. So I have a cigar lounge in my basement where I have 2 faux leather chairs, and I wanted to put a faux leather Ottoman so I could put my feet up, and I found these on Amazon. I also wanted it to be able to be used as storage and not just as an Ottoman. And I also thought that it was really cool that this is how big it is before you open it up. So if you don't want to use the Ottoman, if you're using it in a small area and you want to be able to put it away, you could fold this up and stick it underneath your coffee table, underneath your couch, underneath your bed. I mean, this thing will fit anywhere. You don't have some big, huge Ottoman that you have to now get out of the way when you have guests over. You don't want people tripping over it, whatever the case may be. But it comes like this. You open it up, you pull this out, and it's just like one of those cube organizers. You just fold it open, right? And then it has the bottom piece in here as well. Just stick that bottom piece in there, and that's going to keep the cube organizer open. And then you put the top lid on it, and now you have an Ottoman. A complete Ottoman that looks great, that you can put your feet on, that can hold over 300 pounds. And I sit on this thing, I stand on this thing. Trust me, it holds me. But it also comes with a pocket to put things, and since it has this kind of cube organizer design, you can lift the top off and fit so much stuff down in here, which is awesome, which is what I wanted to do. I like to get my things out of sight, out of mind, and be able to hide them. So I bought these on Amazon. It came in a 2-pack. So I have 2 of them. I have 2 leather chairs in my cigar lounge, and now I have 2 Ottomans that are very easy to take away if I need to and fold up and store. And they also hold tons and tons of things like a cube storage bin would. So if you are looking for an Ottoman solution, these are ones that I found that I was super excited about and that I'm definitely enjoying and that I would definitely recommend.